Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reduce the data usage in mobile. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now what you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your phone, scroll down, locate and click on connections. Once you selected connections, go ahead, click on data usage. Once you selected data usage, then you should see your mobile data usage for the month. Then scroll down, locate mobile data and then click on it. Once you click on mobile data usage, then you should see all the applications consuming your data. Now, to reduce data usage on your Android, go ahead and click on any of the applications that is running the background section of your phone. Once you click on it, then locate and disable allow background data usage. Now, go ahead and repeat this on all the applications you want to stop from using your data in the background section of your phone. And then you're good. So that's exactly how you can easily reduce the data usage on your mobile phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.